Bay Windows Knoxville offers homeowners a unique opportunity to enhance their home's aesthetic appeal and functionality. With a variety of bay window styles available, residents can choose from traditional to contemporary designs that suit their personal taste and home architecture. Bay window contractors in Knoxville, Tennessee, provide expert guidance on selecting the perfect bay window dimensions and materials to ensure a seamless fit and long-lasting durability. Custom bay windows Knoxville are a popular choice for those looking to add a personal touch to their home. These windows can be tailored to meet specific design preferences, offering a range of bay window options and enhancements. Bay window customization in Knoxville, Tennessee, allows homeowners to select from various bay window features, such as energy-efficient glass and unique bay window aesthetics, to create a truly personalized look. Energy-efficient bay windows Knoxville are an excellent investment for homeowners seeking to reduce energy costs. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Bay window experts in Knoxville can recommend the best energy-efficient bay window solutions to meet your needs, ensuring maximum comfort and savings. Bay window replacement Knoxville is a practical solution for outdated or damaged windows. Bay window specialists in Knoxville, Tennessee, offer comprehensive bay window replacement and replacement services to restore the beauty and functionality of your home. Whether you're dealing with cracked glass or deteriorating frames, bay window replacement in Knoxville, Tennessee, can address all your concerns. Affordable bay windows Knoxville provide a cost-effective way to upgrade your home without breaking the bank. Bay window contractors in Knoxville, Tennessee, offer competitive bay window installation costs, ensuring you receive high-quality products and services at a price that fits your budget. With a range of bay window materials and styles to choose from, you can achieve the look you desire without compromising on quality. Bay window design in Knoxville is all about creating a harmonious blend of style and practicality. Bay window experts in Knoxville can help you explore the latest bay window trends and aesthetics, ensuring your new windows complement your home's existing decor. From classic to modern bay window styles, Knoxville homeowners have access to a wide array of design options. Bay windows Knoxville upgrades can significantly enhance your home's value and curb appeal. By incorporating the latest bay window features and enhancements, you can transform your living space into a more inviting and functional area. Bay window solutions in Knoxville offer a variety of options, from built-in seating to additional storage, to maximize the utility of your bay windows.